I'll guide you through how to put text behind a person in CapCut the easy way. Suppose you're looking to add a professional and visually appealing touch to your videos, or you decide that you want to highlight certain elements in them. In that case, you may want to put text behind a person in CapCut, and this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, subscribe to the 3 Minutes Fix channel and let's jump right in. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving this effect. Step 1. Import the video clip you want to edit. Make sure the person is clearly visible and ideally, there's a relatively stable background. Step 2. To duplicate the video layer, select your video clip on the timeline. Tap on Copy or Duplicate depending on your CapCut version to create an identical copy of the video. With the duplicated clip selected, tap on Overlay to move it to a new track below the original video. Step 3. Go back to the main timeline and tap on Text. Choose Add Text and type in your desired text. Customize the font, size, color, and style of your text. Position it where you want it to appear behind the person. Step 4. It's time to remove background from the top layer using Chroma key or Auto Cutout tool. Select the top video layer, which is the original one, not the overlay. If your video has a green screen or a solid color background, use Chroma key. Select the color of the background using the color picker, then adjust the intensity and shadow until the background is removed, leaving only the person. If your video does not have a green screen, use Auto Cutout. CapCut will automatically detect and remove the background around the person. This feature works best with clear subjects and distinct backgrounds. Step 5. Adjust order of the layers. Once the background of the top layer is removed, drag the video layer with background removed above the text. The order of layers from top to bottom should be: the person with background removed will be the top video layer. This layer is what the text will be behind. Then the text layer. And finally, the original video background, still with background. Step 6. Play your video to check the effect. Adjust the position and timing of your text if necessary. You can also add animations to your text for a more dynamic look. Once you're satisfied, click the Export button at the top corner to save your video. By this, you have successfully put text behind a person in CapCut, using either the mobile app or desktop PC. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more CapCut video tutorials. Thanks for watching.